Hello everyone. Today's topic is figures of speech. So where it is used and how. If you see, it is a literary device. It is used in poem and many other literary writings. So here is a small uh, thought on it. In all walks of life, everything can be expressed literally and figuratively. Figures of speech. So it is a word or a phrase that describes on the literary language. For example, it is used and crafted for emphasize, expression, and the clarity. There are many figures of speech like onomatopoeia, simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, idioms, repetition, and many other things, in which I'll be discussing the few important ones here. So, what is a simile? Simile is comparing two things using like and as, poetically explaining how things are like other things. So just like a prayer, your voice can take me there. Just like a muse to me, you are a mystery. As cool as cucumber. So using like and as, when you compare two things, it is called a simile. Metaphor. So metaphor, it is an analogy based on metaphorical meaning. For example, John is a goat. Here John is compared to the goat, but without using the words such as like and as. Now we will see how metaphor and simile are different from each other. For example, Mike is like a teddy bear is a simile, whereas metaphor Mike is a teddy bear. And the next one, that boy is like a pig. It is a simile, whereas metaphor, that boy is a pig. So simile is comparing two things using like and as, whereas metaphor is comparing two things without using them. Hyperbole. Hyperbole, it is explaining or making something larger or smaller, like a kind of exaggerating. The way of the sea did not go as far as my heart. So like the way of the sea is being exaggerated, and this is called as hyperbole. These things you can see in the poem. And personification, we call personification to give a human property to non-human beings. For example, when a non-human being is explained or told in the form of a in the form where it has life, the form of a human being is called as personification. The rain starts or thinner, then look at the joy in the soil. The birds told me that you are going to distant lands. That beautiful sound of mountain has traveled all around. So here you can see many personification. Thank you.